In this video, we're going to go over a real-life application problem where we're going to use a system of linear equations to help us solve it. So here's our problem. An adult ticket to a museum costs $3 more than a children's ticket. And when 200 adult tickets and 100 children's tickets are sold, the total revenue is $2,100. So what is the cost of a children's ticket? So the question we're trying to figure out is, what is the cost of a children's ticket? So let's look at what we know. We know that an adult ticket to a museum costs $3 more than a children's ticket. So that tells us that an adult ticket equals C plus 3. So A equals C plus 3. Well, we also know that when you buy 200 adult tickets and 100 children's tickets, the total revenue is $2,100. So here we have 200A equals 100 times C equals 2,100. Now, if we look at this, we see that A is by itself. So what that's going to allow us to do is to plug in our A as C plus 3. So let's go ahead and let's write that. So we have 200 times our A plus 100 times C equals 2,100. So we'll plug in our C plus 3. And then to solve this, we'll need to distribute that 200. So we distribute the 200, and that gives us 200C plus 600 plus 100C equals 2,100. From there, we'll need to combine our like terms. And so that should give us 300C plus 600 equals 2,100. And now we want to get this C by itself. So we're going to subtract 600 from both sides. And that's going to leave us with 300C equals 1,500. Then we're going to divide both sides by 300. And that's going to give us C equals 5. Now remember that C is the cost of our children's ticket. And so that is the answer to our question. What is the cost of a children's ticket? So a children's ticket is $5. Now using that, we could figure out what the cost of an adult ticket was, because an adult ticket is just $3 more. And $3 more than $5 is $8. But we don't need to write that down, and we didn't need to figure that out because it was simply asking us for the cost of a children's ticket. And so here's an example of how you can use a system to solve a real-life application problem.